Alright everybody, that wraps up the video. Can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes we can, so smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time there's a video. And also comment what you thought of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Goku from Dragon Ball. I decided to draw Goku this time because unfortunately Toriyama, the creator of Dragon Ball, passed away, and I decided that I wanted to dedicate this drawing and commemorate the influence that he had on the anime in anime in general. I think that he did a lot for the anime world or realm. There wouldn't be any Naruto without Dragon Ball, so I love Naruto. Naruto's my favorite anime, and I decided that I wanted to make this drawing, so hopefully you enjoyed. I think the outcome came out super cool, and yeah, let me know what you think and smash the like button if you enjoyed. I'm going to be linking some drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some characters that I've drawn for that me really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. And I also have a drawing playlist here for Dragon Ball, so check it out. But yeah everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and I'll thanks everybody. Peace.